Your network is your net worth. What's going on, guys? It is Daniel Wi-Fi Astronaut coming back today for another video, and we're going to be touching on your network and how this is one of the most important ways that you can really scale your Amazon business that you might not be thinking of in your head. So, like I said in the beginning, just now in the intro, very cliche, but your network is truly your net worth. So in this industry, you learn through your mistakes, right? Primarily, that's the way I learned. That's the way a lot of people have learned, is you're learning as you make mistakes, and obviously content and such, but mostly it's trial and error. When you're combining multiple people together and you're able to all make different mistakes and do them at the same time and then discuss and talk about them, you can learn that much faster. So a great example of this is about over a year ago now. Me and a couple others, we kind of formed like a group chat. Other Amazon sellers formed a group chat and started just, going super hard all together on online arbitrage and different wholesale opportunities. Now, granted, we had all been selling for about a year prior, so about 2 years ago. We'd all been selling for that year prior, but, it started stagnating, and we were looking for more and newer opportunities to grow in different areas. And when we all came together as a group, kind of as a united front, we were able to make mistakes in different areas, which was able to give us lessons in different areas that we may not have gotten quickly on our own. So by having 3-4 people in a group chat, we were able to learn 3-4 times as fast and grow from. Me personally, in 2020, I think I did like $250,000 in sales, and then in 2021, I did over 1.5 million, and this year I should be doing over 3 if all things go to plan. So just by putting people together, you're able to learn that much more quickly. And a few good ways to do this. So obviously the hardest way, but the easiest way at the same time, is just by putting out content. Now, I'm sure you guys know I don't put out any content on Instagram just because I don't like it. But I do put out a lot of content on Twitter, and that is how I've gained a lot of my network is through Twitter. And that's taught me a great deal just through there. However, Instagram is a great place for beginner Amazon sellers. That seems to be where more of them are kind of populated. However, they're all migrating TikTok, Twitter, and all these different places. You really need to get on a platform and start putting out some form of content, even if you don't have your face in it, just documenting your journey, right? Because not only can you help someone else, but you're also helping yourself by being able to network with other people, and it will just naturally happen. You'll see someone else who's on the same kind of same road or same area along on your journey, on their journey, and you guys are in kind of the same spot, same place, and maybe you have a solution to their problem and vice versa, and you're able to converse and talk about it and work through problems together. This is by far one of the best ways to grow on Amazon, and it's not a way that a lot of people, I guess, really think about. Like, you need to network to be able to grow in this business. Another great way to network in this business is to be going to live events. So last year I went to shout out Avery Martin, Romer, and Taylor Jones' live event, Miami 2021, Miami 2022 coming up. It was a great event. I was able to go and meet kind of all the people in like the little inner circle on Instagram or on Twitter or whatever, and be able to network these people in real life, shake hands, have real conversations, meet some of the biggest Amazon sellers that are on social media and in general, the top 100 sellers in the country, Amazon Lit, Scott Needham. Being able to meet all these people helps you grow, not only as a person, as a business owner, but as an Amazon seller. You're able to learn more when you're meeting these other people who have already gone through these same experiences. And I know I may sound extremely cliche, and you might be thinking like, what is this 22-year-old talking about to me on this YouTube right now? But I'm being serious. Like, this is by far one of the best ways to grow your Amazon business is by reaching out to bigger sellers or people that are on the same path as you, same spot on their journey as you, and just talking, FaceTiming, Zooming, putting out some form of content to be able to meet these people. Because by putting out that content, you're almost inviting people to come and talk to you and converse, and it lets other people know what you're up to, and then you're able to kind of just move forward from there with that. It, like I said before, it absolutely helped me on my journey bar none. There's no chance in hell I would have been able to sell $1.5 million worth of products last year unless I had met the people I had met. And just by talking and going through different experiences together, it really puts it that much more forward. That's pretty much it for this video today, guys. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm looking to continue growing this channel into the future. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'll see you on Monday with a brand new video. It's going to be sweet. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.